The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Chipotle Mexican Grill with the ticker symbol CMG. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. And here we have the daily chart for CMG, and it looks like we're seeing a nice rally after this double bottom occurred at the 1375 level. And it looks like we're going to probably be seeing a breakout fairly shortly if we don't find any resistance here, which I don't think we will, but it is always a possibility. I think we're going to get that breakout. So let's go over the pattern that's occurring since pretty much January of last year. So this is pretty much a 1 year range. You can see we're trading at the same level as January of 2022. So back at that same point, this was definitely a heavy resistance zone in the past, and it could be acting as that again, but I think there's a couple indicators telling me we're not going to get that resistance this time. We'll have to wait and see, but as of right now, it doesn't look like we will. So this is the range pattern the price we're respecting. Resistance at the 1610, support at the 1238. Prices had a little break over here, which led to a little breakout on the bottom side. Then we had two failed attempts to go higher. You can see that we tried to rally out of this range, but the force of the range was too strong. Drop prices back down inside of it. We found some type of support at this 1365 level. We rallied back up to the resistance like we were getting in the past. Went back down, found some type of support. So right now, this was looking really bad for the shorts because we could not go any lower than this swing right here. And now we're seeing a massive rally take place. So this is basically a short squeeze. Shorts are trapped in their position, so the bulls are squeezing them out, and that's why I'm saying we're going to get a breakout, because the shorts, after this big breakout here, this should have led to a fairly big breakout on the bottom side, but it didn't. You can see that we should have at least reached the bottom side of this range, but we didn't. So there's a bullish imbalance here. There are more aggressive buyers in the market than sellers, and also this measure move was not reached. It was undershot, or it was not reached. So you can see this was the first leg down. Prices made a correction. This was the formation of the second leg, but we came up short by a large amount. Whenever you see this can lead to a strong move in the opposite direction. That's exactly what we're getting. So it makes me believe that this measure move is more in play now. So this is the first leg up, this is the second leg up, and we're attempting to reach the $1,900 level. So I think that maybe this time we're going to get the break of this range. Right now we're very close to resistance, but I think we can get a break of it and see a rally out of here to this measure move target. Is this a good place to be going long? Not really, because again, it was acting as resistance 2 times right over here in the past, and we're getting overextended, so we could see maybe at least a pullback, but as right now in the long term, it does look like it wants to reach this $1,900 level. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart for CMG. Overall bias has been up since it bottomed here in 2018. Prices have been moving upwards, and this is the trend right here, which I'll draw with the channel. So this is the channel that prices were respecting, and recently we just had the break outside of it. So you can see that we had the first break, and we tried to attempt new highs a couple of times but failed. But prices did not drop that much. Now it looks like it's creating a short squeeze and looking like we're finally going to go back up to retest these highs. That's normally what you get when we see the first break of a channel. So you can see these price bars are not inside the channel any longer. Usually when we don't reverse right away, usually we make 2 attempts to new high. So it looks like we're finally getting those 2 attempts right here. This is the first attempt, and now we're in the formation of the second attempt. So if this fails, maybe right around the 1722, that could lead to a big drop down. But as right now, I'm going to be expecting we just continue higher, reach this measure move, which is very close to these highs right here of the channel. So it's looking pretty good for the bulls. You can also see that prices made this large leg down, and then we tried to make the second large leg down but failed. And also in the shorter term, you can see that prices, this is what I was showing you guys on the daily chart, where this was the leg down, this is the second leg down, and we came up short of this one too. So basically we came up short on 2 measured moves. So we're seeing this massive move higher because traders are recognizing that the bears are weak and the bulls are strong right now. So that's why we're getting this huge move higher. And also this is a very strong support at this like $1,300 level. It was acting as support multiple times throughout this pullback. So very strong support. Now we're going back up to retest other levels. So basically that's all I have for CMG. You know, obviously we're not going to be ranging forever. This was already a 1-year range. So basically if you held, you're pretty much break even. Maybe if you bought over here, you're in a better position, but you know, it's basically just range bound. Now I think we're going to finally start seeing the acceleration to the upside due to the failures to reach the measure move targets. So it looks like now we're going to be seeing that impulse higher to the all-time highs. So that's all I have for CMG. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video with your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.